Hey everyone, this is Aisha of Decor and Designs by Aisha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today makes day 7 of my DIY Fall Wedding Series 2021. So the time is coming to an end for me to end this DIY Fall Wedding Series. But before I end it, I wanted to show you on today how to decorate using your pipe and drape stand and drapes. All right, remember the colors I'm using in this series are burgundy, gold, blush, and blue. All right, so I wanted to just turn the camera around so that I can show you how to decorate using your pipe and drape stand and also drapes. All right, I will leave the links in the description box below for the pipe and drape stand as well as the drapes. All right, so I hope that you all enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Decor and Designs by Aisha family. All right, let's get started in day 7 of the DIY Fall Wedding Series 2021. All right, y'all, so first what I want to do is just show you this pipe and drape stand that I have right here. Now, this is a non-adjustable stand. I hope that you all can see it the way I'm going with it. This is a non-adjustable stand. You know, some stands are adjustable, but this is a non-adjustable one. Now, it adjusts here at the top, okay? It goes from 8 feet to 10 feet, all right? And the sides are 10 feet up and down, okay? So I purchased this from Amazon, and it's a really great stand. It's really great for a beginner. So I'm going to show you how to use this stand to make your wedding backdrop using drapes. All right, so I want to show you the stand first. All right, so I want to show you how I'm doing this. I'm using this beautiful drape from Efavormart, and like I said, the link will be in the description box below. So what I have done, I have taken, you take your rod for your pipe and drape stand, the one that go at the top, and you just place your drapes on the pole, and you just continue to just put it on just like this. All right, and just keep going and going until you get to the end. All right, and there you have put your drapes on. All right, and once you put your drapes on, you just take it and just put it back. I have this little thing to help me to just put it back here on your pole. All right, just like, all right, and just place it on here on your pole, just like so. All right, and then you can start adjusting your drapes the way that, you know, you want it, that looks right. So what I'm gonna have to do with these drapes right here, you see they're wrinkled. So I have a steamer that I'm gonna be steaming these, but I'm not finished yet, all right? All right, so here is my drape, all right, my curtain. And again, like I said, I need to steam it, and just have this as your backdrop for your wedding. But I'm going to add something else on top, all right? All right, so you see that my poles are exposed. You do not want your poles to show. You want to make sure those poles are covered up. So I got to make sure I cover my poles. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing in order to cover the poles. But if you have something, if you just want to leave it this way and maybe have another way that you can cover the poles, maybe with some balloons or flowers or something, that would be great, okay? Because you do not want your poles to be exposed. So let me show you what I'm going to do in order to cover my poles. All right, another thing, you want to make sure here at the bottom that it looks really good. And as you see, this right here, I'm going to go down here and actually fix this, because you don't want it to look quite like this. You want it to be even straight across. All right, so I'm going to go and I'm going to show you how to get your the bottom part of your curtains to look really good, okay? All right, so you want to make sure that your curtains are looking pretty decent at the bottom, all right? And you want them to look good all the way across. So what I do, I just get on my knees and just kind of like fix it, you know, fix it so that it will be looking nice. And you don't want anything to be really sticking out or anything at the bottom. All right. All right, everyone. So here is this beautiful wedding backdrop that I wanted you to see. And again, this is for your DIY weddings. The links will be in the description box below. All right. So I'm going to let you get a closer look at the entire backdrop. And as you see, I have my blue valance, which is with the swoop going right across there. And those beautiful pleats you see right here. Gorgeous. And going all the way down, and I have it at the bottom. All right. And you just, you know, want everything to look nice at the bottom also. All right. Okay, so now I'm going to take you in for a closer look. And as you see, this is a beautiful navy blue color. I absolutely love it. And this is more of a peach, more of a blush color. All right. And all I do, I just put this on my backdrop. All right. And as you see, these beautiful pleats, you see how that is? Gorgeous. I love it. It's beautiful. And I have it going all the way up to the end of the backdrop there. Remember, you want to cover your poles completely. All right. And I just have it where it comes down at the bottom. You want it to go all the way to the bottom. All right. You want to make sure these bases are covered also. All right. All right, so I wanted to bring this to you. Again, this is day 7 of my DIY Fall Wedding Series 2021. And this is how to decorate a wedding backdrop. All right, with the beautiful colors of blush and blue, but this can be used for any color that coordinates with your wedding colors, all right? So I want you to take a good look at it. All right, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Event Decor and Designs by Aisha family. And come back on Thursday, because that will be the last day of this DIY Fall Wedding Series 2021. I have enjoyed bringing it to you. I hope that you all have enjoyed these ideas. All right. So make sure you come back Thursday at 5:00 p.m. Central Time. Y'all have an amazing day, and I will see y'all on Thursday.